One owner Willow Lake condo on the pond. One of very few duplex units with great view of pond/fountain. Convenient floor plan featuring great room, den, eat-in kitchen, formal dining, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, flex room, and sunroom. The sunroom is totally finished and open to the main living area. Updated kitchen features granite countertops, tile backsplash, breakfast bar, double ovens, and waterproof vinyl plank flooring. Great room has crown molding, and gas fireplace with stacked stone. Formal dining area and den are located off the great room. Main bedroom features vaulted ceiling, access to sunroom, and attached 8x8 flex room. Main bath has walk-in shower with tile walls above, quartz countertop and waterproof vinyl plank flooring. Updated guest bath off bedroom hallway. Laundry room features wall ironing board, waterproof vinyl plank flooring, and storage closet. Carpeting, light fixtures, and water heater are all less than 3 years old.